Welcome to our video showcasing OmniRace, an innovative interface that uses computer vision and hand gestures to control a racing drone. We utilized the media pipe framework for human hand detection and implemented deep neural network to recognize 8 different human gestures. We also developed an algorithm to determine the position and orientation of the hand. This data was translated into control signals for the drone, corresponding to the control channels of a traditional remote control. This solution allows the operator to control a drone in three-dimensional space with just one hand. We tested our control method against traditional remote controllers. Participants flew in a simulation environment on a racetrack, aiming to complete the race as quickly as possible using both control methods. Afterward, they filled out a questionnaire to evaluate the control methods. Additionally, we tested the gesture control methods on a real drone. For the first flight, the velocities were reduced to ensure safety. Based on the flight results, we identified 2 groups of participants, beginners and intermediates. On average, the beginners completed the route faster and with a shorter pass lanes using the gesture control interface. Meanwhile, the intermediates completed the route faster with the remote control, although hand control was also effective and resulted in a shorter pass. According to the questionnaire, users preferred the gesture interface for its attractiveness and low perceived temporal domain, while noting the high efficiency and low physical domain of the traditional remote control. Thank you for watching, stay tuned for future updates and more innovations.